Good day, students. Welcome to Term 1, Week 12 of JSS 1 Mathematics. In our last lesson we introduced estimation and rounding. Today we extend estimation to all four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We also introduce front-end estimation, a quick technique for checking large calculations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to estimate sums and differences by rounding, estimate products and quotients using compatible numbers, use front-end estimation for quick approximate answers, and judge whether a calculated result is too high, too low, or about right. Let us begin. Estimating with the four operations requires a clear method for each. For addition and subtraction, round each number to its leading digit, the first non-zero digit, then operate. For multiplication, round each factor to one significant figure, usually the first digit, then multiply the rounded values. For division, replace numbers with compatible numbers, numbers that divide evenly, that are close to the originals. Front-end estimation is a fast method. You look only at the leading digits of each number, use those to calculate, then adjust for the remaining digits. For example, estimate 4,231 plus 3,852. Front-end, 4,000 plus 3,000 equals 7,000. Adjustment, 200 plus 800 equals 1,000. Total estimate, 7,000 plus 1,000 equals 8,000. Exact answer, 8,083. Our estimate of 8,000 is very close. Let us practice each operation. Estimating a sum. Estimate 3,786 plus 5,234 plus 2,941. Round each to the nearest thousand. 4,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000 equals 12,000. Exact, 11,961. Our estimate of 12,000 is reasonable. Estimating a difference. Estimate 8,472 minus 3,619. Round to the nearest thousand, 8,000 minus 4,000 equals 4,000. Exact, 4,853. Our estimate of 4,000 is in the right region. Estimating a product. Estimate 48 times 63. Round to nearest 10, 50 times 60 equals 3,000. Exact, 3,024. Very close. A Nigerian market example: a trader buys 47 bags of rice at 8,250 naira each. Estimate the total cost. Round, 50 bags times 8,000 naira equals 400,000 naira. Exact, 387,750 naira. Our estimate of 400,000 is a reasonable guide for budgeting purposes. Estimating a quotient, compatible numbers. Estimate 3,740 divided by 52. Find numbers close to 3,740 and 52 that divide evenly. 3,600 divided by 60 is easy, equals 60. Or, 4,000 divided by 50 equals 80. Exact answer, 71.9. Both estimates, 60 and 80, bracket the true answer. When to choose a higher or lower estimate. In budgeting, always round up your expenses and down your income to stay safe. A school administrator in Abuja estimating a trip budget should overestimate cost to avoid running short. 3 examination questions. Example 1. Estimate 296 times 47 by rounding each number to the nearest 10. Round, 300 times 50 equals 15,000. Exact, 13,912. The estimate of 15,000 is in the right order of magnitude, a good check. Example 2. A school in Enugu has 38 classrooms. Each classroom has 43 seats. Estimate the total seating capacity. Round to nearest 10, 40 rooms times 40 seats equals 1,600 seats. Exact, 1,634 seats. The estimate of 1,600 is very accurate. Example 3. A vehicle travels 985 kilometers in 11 hours. Estimate the average speed in kilometers per hour. Compatible numbers: 1000 divided by 10 equals 100 kilometers per hour. Exact: approximately 89.5 kilometers per hour. Our estimate of 100 is a reasonable upper bound, useful for checking that the answer is in the right range. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Rounding numbers in a product to the nearest 10 when they should be rounded to their leading digit. Rounding 298 to 300 rather than 300 is fine, but rounding 6 to 10 when it is a single digit loses accuracy. For single-digit numbers, keep them as they are. Mistake 2. Accepting an estimate that is wildly different from the exact answer without rechecking. If your exact answer is 20 times larger than your estimate, you almost certainly made an error. Mistake 3. Not knowing when an overestimate versus an underestimate is more appropriate. Always think about the context. Excellent. Let us summarize. To estimate sums and differences, round to the leading digit and operate. To estimate products, round each factor to its leading digit and multiply. To estimate quotients, use compatible numbers that divide easily. Front-end estimation: add the leading digit first, then adjust for the remaining portion. Always compare your estimate with your exact answer. A large gap means you should recheck. In budgeting, round expenses up and income down for a conservative, safe estimate. For homework, estimate: A. 387 times 52, B. 4915 divided by 67, C. 2184 plus 3971 minus 1856. Then compute the exact answers and check how close your estimates were. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit LightTech Academy at academy.lightech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3. Powered by LightTech Solutions Limited. Until next time.